on our dance and the audience will enjoy it.
Ito try namin ipakita, hindi namin napakita that with more focus, effort to build effort.
Kaya namin to!
Alam mo, Rochelle, iba ka talaga gumalaw, napakalinis. Pang-international talaga. Yung choreography nyo, grabe, yung mga palitan ng mga steps, ng mga exhibition, ang ganda, and team, from last week, nag-improve ka, so congratulations to all of you.
Tama, from last week talaga nag-improve ka. I love your costume, the two of you. I love the fact, Rochelle, na hindi ka, kahit natanggal yung iyong extension, ang bilis talaga ng presence of mind. May talaga you made it part of your dance. Okay, nahulog yung buko, pero bakit ba? Diba? True performer, and I love your music. I love the fact that you started with that song and then you led into this beautiful.
Team and Ari, you can dance!
Congratulations, Tim and Army, for getting the highest score.
Congratulations sa inyong lahat because you tried so hard tonight. Costumes-wise, choreography and all, lahat ginawa nyo. But you know, kailangan talagang may uuwi at may iwan. Again, may wild card pa tayo, so Jem and Hasep, please step forward. You can go.
Hasep and Gemma, thank you guys. We better be seeing you during the wild card competition. They both did very well tonight. Thank you very much, Hasep and Gemma. There she goes to get her shoes from the sweat room.
Yes, you heard it right. 3 pairs are gonna battle it down in our showdown next week. Wow.
I know, it's really gonna be something different dahil sanay tayo na dalawa lang nag-showdown.
Pero ano kaya sasayaw nila? Yan na.
Ano nga kaya? Exciting din yung part na to eh. Ano kaya yung isasayaw nyo, guys? Let's see what the card says.